And so in the book of Matthew, the politician lays out this word. This is Jesus speaking. He says, don't lay up for yourself treasures on earth where moth and rust does destroy. If you want a secure future, start making an investment in the heavenly bank accounts of God. Lay up for yourself treasures in heaven. And all through the word, you're going to discover as we learn the word will teach you how to do deposits into heaven and withdrawals. My money goes straight to the bank account. When my money goes straight into my bank account, I know that I got money over there that I can pay my bills. I can buy my groceries. I can get some clothes. I can buy flowers for my wife because I have them over there. And those are little withdrawals. There's a whole system. I got a debit card or a credit card, and I go over there. I can withdraw the money and I can use it. As long as I put it in there, I can get it back. Earthly system, I put it in there. I receive no interest return. Heavenly system's different. When I put it into heaven, I give it to them. The Bible says that it shall give me back good measure, pressed down, keep up with me. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, running over, 30, 60, hundredfold return, windows of heaven open, blessing poured out, that there's not room enough to receive.